What's up? My name is Laurinas Kanapka. It's 5 a.m. and I wanted to present our solution, which is SkillPool. So let me actually frame the problem a little bit for you. In a large organization, it's incredibly difficult for project managers to find the right people with the specific skills that they need for new projects. Expertise is often hidden in documents, reports, and resumes scattered across the entire company, and traditional keyword searches are often too broad or too narrow, leading to misconnections and wasted time. So this can result in projects being staffed with whoever's available and not necessarily who's best suited for the job. And this can be a big problem when we're working with organizations such as science and technology organizations that really benefit from having the optimal talent working on these teams. So that's where our solution comes in. As you can see, it's SkillPool, and this is an intelligent talent discovery engine. So SkillPool is a search application that uses GraphRag, also known as retrieval augmented generation on a knowledge graph, to provide deep insights into the skills and experience of your organization's talent pool. So here, organizations can provide a massive corpus of their data, including employee resumes, company projects, and company documents that we ingest and create a graph database from with entities and relationships. So this allows project managers to ask natural language questions and get back a list of the most qualified people along with the evidence to back it up. So you may be wondering why this is even useful in the first place. And this is especially useful because of the unique power of GraphRag. So again, like we said, that's retrieval augmented generation across a knowledge graph. And by using a knowledge graph that we build from an organization's data, we can uncover hidden relationships and connections between people, skills, and projects across a multitude of separate documents and actually combine all this together to find unique insights that wouldn't be seen by something like a regular semantic search. And then this also leads into increases in efficiency for recruiting and talent management. So it drastically reduces the time and effort required to staff new projects and allows you to find better fitted talent for the task at hand, which is also always a great thing. So if we actually go to our implementation and how we built it, the front end is a modern and responsive web application built with Next.js and TypeScript. We're also using a liquid glass library. Our back end is using a serverless architecture using Netlify functions for scalability and ease of deployment. And then for our data ingestion, we're using Python, and this reads the documents like the resumes and the project reports, chunks the text, and then uses OpenAI's embedding models and their API to create vector representations of the content. And then we have our knowledge graph. So if we go here, you can see this is our entity relationship diagram, and this is all people and the relationships and what skills they have and what skills they're connected to. So we're using Neo4j for this, and this allows us to perform complex queries and uncover these deep insights. So then the last step is search synthesis. So when a user enters a query, we generate an embedding for the query and perform a vector search in Neo4j, and the results are then passed to an LLM, which is going to be Gemini API, to synthesize a concise and actionable answer. All right, so if we actually do a demo, we go here and then we want like a senior developer with JavaScript, WITH. Then it'll go through the node, and then our boy Alex Johnson and Sarah Chen are cooking. So that's good stuff. And then you can click and look at more of their information from the resume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and yeah, good morning.